Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Today in maths we are going to carry on with division, and today we're moving on to understand division as sharing equally. So this is a starter. I'm not going to play it with you, but this is something that you could do at home, or if you're in school then you could have a go at this. It's called Splat, and you have to splat the odd and the even numbers. So there's a link for this which should be on the home learning plan, and this is what it looks like here. I'll show you quickly what it looks like. So you can click on a number range below to play. So if you're needing to practice this a little bit more, you can start on easy. It moves on to medium and hard as well. So I think most of us should be on either medium or hard. So I'm going to start on medium. I'm going to put it on the fast route. So this is asking me to splat all of the even numbers. Okay, so you just click on the fruits, even numbers, and you get lots of points. So that is something that you can practice at home or at school if you're there. Let's move on. So last lesson we had a look at this symbol. Can you remember what it means? And can you remember any other words that mean the same as this? You can have a discussion with whoever you're with if you're at home, or you can have a discussion with who you're with at school. What does it mean, and what other words mean the same? Pause the video now to have a go at this. Well done for having a go at this. We are going to jump straight back into a practice. So I'm going to have a quick go first, and then you are going to have a go. So the first question says there are 12 people queuing for a ride. Each car on the ride holds 3 people. How many cars will be full? So I'm going to put the number that I'm starting with at the top of my bar model, which is 12. And then it says each car on the ride holds 3 people. That means that I need to split the bottom part of my bar model into 3 groups. I'm sure yours will be much neater than mine when it comes to it, I hope. So now I'm going to split my 12 into these 3 groups. I'm just going to do a dot in each and count up to 12. So I'm making sure that I'm sharing them equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now in each of my groups I should have the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that when I divide 12 into 3 groups, in each group I have got 4. So let's move on. You are now going to have a go at practicing this. So the question says there are 20 children going on a school trip. They travel in cars of 5. How many cars are needed to take them? So you need to put the number that you're starting with at the top of your bar model, and then you need to split the bottom of the bar model into your 5 groups. Have a go at this, and we will run through what your bar model should look like in a moment. So pause the video now to have a go at this. Well done for having a go at this. Let's have a look and see what the answer is. So we have 20 children. That is the number that we're starting with, and we need to split them into 5 equal groups. Here we go. I'm going to put the dots in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In each group, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. Let's move on. Have another practice for me. There are 16 socks in a washing basket. How many pairs of socks are there in total? Now we know that a pair means 2, so you're splitting 16 into 2 groups. Have a go at doing this for me now. Well done for having a go at this. Let's see what your bar model should look like. So we're starting off with 16, and we are splitting them into 2 equal groups like this. So I've got 2 groups on my bar model now. Let's count up to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see how many I've got in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 divided into 2 groups is 8, because I have 8 in each group. Well done for doing that. Let's move on. Here are your independent activities. So if you're doing one idea, then you're going to use the bar model to solve the division calculations. If you're doing few ideas, you're going to draw your own bar model to solve the division calculations. If you're doing relate, then you're going to just solve the division word problems using the bar model. And if you're doing extend, then you can have a go at the challenge questions. So pause the video to have a go at solving these calculations for one idea. This is a really good practice to get you used to sharing on the bar model. If you're doing few ideas, then make sure you draw the bar model for each of these calculations and write down your answers. If you're doing relate, then have a go at answering these word problems. Make sure that you draw the bar model for each of these. And if you're doing extend, the questions are a little bit different. So on this side, we've got 20 divided by 2 is the same as doing 2 times something. On this side, we've got 2 times 2 is the same answer as doing 20 divided by something. On this side, we've got a question where it says write 4 different calculations using each of these numbers. So there's different calculations here, and you need to use these numbers, no other numbers. So it's a bit more challenging, but have a go at that for me and upload your work to Padlet, or you can email it across to Mrs. Buttress or myself, and we'd love to see how you're getting on. Well done for working so hard today. Did you manage to spot Bugs Bunny on one of our slides? I wonder. If you didn't, then you are more than welcome to go back and have a look for him. Well done for working so hard, and we are really excited to be seeing you soon.